What's up, guys? In today's video, we'll be looking at some updates that are coming to WhatsApp. If you enjoy mobile related content like this one, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on all the pro tips and tricks that I'll be dropping in subsequent videos. Let's jump right in. For some days now, I've been having some updates, appearing in my newsfeed, and I feel I should share with you guys. One of such updates is that you may not need to have somebody's phone number to add the person on WhatsApp. I believe this was a long time coming, and it has been confirmed officially by WhatsApp that the QR code is coming. So instead of sharing your phone number to enable somebody add you on WhatsApp, you can just share your QR code. And I believe that is good news for your privacy and personal security. So you don't have strangers adding you up with your phone number and you beginning to wonder where they got your phone number from. This time around, if you have a business that depends on WhatsApp, instead of sharing around your phone number to enable them add you on WhatsApp, you can just share your name tag or QR code to enable them add you. The second feature that WhatsApp is introducing is dark mode on WhatsApp web and desktop. In about February this year, WhatsApp introduced dark mode into their app, so it is possible for you to switch from the normal light mode where you have white background and green to a dark mode where you have a much darker version of the WhatsApp interface. So by this announcement, they are confirming that dark mode is coming to WhatsApp web and WhatsApp desktop apps. If you are a fan of using dark mode on most of your apps, then that will be very, very good news for you. This one is quite fun and interesting. Animated stickers. So now we will begin to see animated stickers on WhatsApp. So when you want to express the way you feel, it will become even more fun using an animated sticker to express yourself. The next feature we'll be talking about mainly applies to WhatsApp group calls. The number of participants in WhatsApp group call has been increased to 8, and it is now possible for you to click on a participant's photograph to zoom in and have a closer look at the person's stream. So assuming somebody's talking and you want to avoid the distraction of all the other photographs or all the other streams that are appearing in your WhatsApp group call, you can just tap on the particular person who is talking and have a more immersive conversation with that particular individual, as against seeing all the other smaller icons that make up the number of people that are in your WhatsApp group call. Well, I'm very sure so many of us watching this are not aware that there is another Linux-based mobile operating system called KaiOS. Now, the WhatsApp version for KaiOS is actually going to be seeing status appearing in the next couple of weeks. So I believe it will be a lot of fun for the users of KaiOS. Please, if you enjoy this particular format of videos where I come to give you updates on what is happening in the industry with respect to specific apps and technologies, please drop in the comment section so I know that you like these types of videos. If this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. That means a whole lot to me, and we will see in the next video.